this video, we are going to discuss about HTML. Initially, HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. That means H stands for hyper, T stands for text, M stands for markup, L stands for language. Altogether, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The second point is HTML is very important web designing language or web scripting language. Otherwise, we can call this as standard markup language for creating web pages. So actually, by using HTML language, we can describe the structure of the web pages. The structure mean the layout, how the web page should be displayed, or else we can explain how the structure of the web page should be. So here in the HTML, we can create the HTML web pages. We can create the web pages by using HTML language. For that, we need to use series of elements. So the series of elements means, so if you use the element, then the web browser will detect the elements and it will display the content. So then we will see what is actually HTML element. Actually, the HTML element mean it's defined by the starting tag and ending end tag. Start tag and end tag. In between the start tag and end tag, you can see some content. For example, so here we can see this is the tag. Tag mean we can use the angle bracket. In between the angle bracket, we can use some keywords, tag name, that's called tag name, and then after we can write the contents, whatever content that we need to insert here. Then after the close tag. Close tag mean then in the close tag we need to add this slash also. Apart from this open curly bracket, open angle bracket, the slash, and then after the tag name, and then the angle bracket, close angle bracket. So in here we need to understand the element mean this is the element. For example, for the tag name we can use H1. Here the same thing, the start tag. The start tag mean, so within the angle bracket we can write H1. As the content we can use the my first heading. And here again the close or end tag mean we need to, in the end tag we need to use this slash. So in the start tag we no need to use the slash. It's enough to use only the angle bracket. In the end tag we need to use this slash to close the tag. So likewise the paragraph P and also the P closed here. So this is the way of writing the HTML element. So as we already discussed, by using the list of or series of HTML elements, we can create the HTML pages. So, and in the web designing, there are two applications we need to involve. The first one is HTML editor. As the web designer or web developer, we need to use HTML editor. And the second thing is web browser. So initially we will discuss what is HTML editor. So editor means the application that used to modify or create the web page is called as HTML editor. Web page can be created and modified by using professional HTML editor. As editor, we can use Notepad application, Notepad++ application, Visual Studio Code application. So we can choose whatever application. Notepad mean normally by default in Windows environment the Notepad will be there. Otherwise you can install the Notepad++. You can download and install Notepad++ and you can use it. Otherwise you can download Visual Studio Code and you can install in your device. The second application is a web browser. To read or to view the output of the web page, we can use web browser. The purpose of the web browser is to read HTML document. So the elements that we have written in the HTML editor will be read by the web browser. So here browser does not display the HTML tags. So tags mean the elements. So in the browser, the elements will not be displayed there. The content only will be displayed in the web browser. So that's the main thing. So as the web browser, we can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Max. So that's it about the fundamental things about the HTML. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.